Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily check your macOS version on your MacBook. So for doing this you just need to click on Apple and choose here about this Mac. So just click here. So just wait, after you will see this window, and here you will see your version of Mac, it's Pro or Air, and how much what screen it has, and also number of gigahertz and year when it was published. So this all information about your computer. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.